everybody, it's me again, Tom Dalton from the PBS TV show Under the Radar with Dave Lorenz from Pure Michigan, traveling the state safely and responsibly. And let me ask you something. Are you a kid at heart, and do you have a brand new bathing suit you'd like to try out? Well, we've got a place for them, right, Dave?
What's that?
I know, it's kind of loud in here.
We do. You know, this is the cool thing. It's so much fun here. I love the atmosphere. We're in a really cool place called Zender's Splash Village in Frankenmuth. We're with John Shelton. John, tell us about this place.
Well, the Zender's Splash Village Hotel and Water Park is a 50,000 square foot water park with two distinctions. One is our atrium park, and one is what we're standing is called our splash park. But how we separate ourselves from all other water parks, we're the only one with two retractable roofs. So we're able to encompass Mother Nature when it's a great summer day here in Frankenmuth, or when it's cold in the wintertime, we can close the roof, but it's always 82 degrees and sunny, so we think it's a great atmosphere for people to come out and enjoy themselves.
Well, you sure were prepared for this horrible thing we've all been going through, because you have been able to operate because you offer these pools, you have the open air environment, and you've made some other adjustments.
Yeah, not to mention there's chlorine everywhere, which is perfect.
Well, you know, first and foremost, obviously what we're all experiencing with COVID-19, our first priority has always been the safety of our guests and the safety of our employees. So of course, with the CDC guidelines, wash your hands, watch your distance, and wear a mask, we've always been very focused on that. However, the other thing that we really thought was very important, that we had a collaboration with our local health department. So everything we've done in regards to having our business operate, we've always had authority or got the authority to do certain things from our health department. So yes, when we were able to open up as an outdoor pool, we were told we could do that as long as we kept the roof open. Once the roof closed, we had to close the park. So when there was a couple of rainstorms, we had to do that, but it was just a minor inconvenience. And then obviously when we're under the indoor mandate, we have to match our capacities, and we do a very good job at doing so.
Yeah,
everybody's having a great time.
Yeah, I can't think of a safer, more fun place to bring your family and have fun than here.
Absolutely true. And the thing is, Tom, you know, after you have fun here, I hear there's some chicken dinners down the road at a place called Zender's. We might have to check that out too.
I'm going to do that afterwards so I can still fit into my bathing suit.
That's a great idea. I tell you what, it's a great idea to come to Frankenmuth, to come to Zender's Splash Village, because you can travel safely right here in Pure Michigan.
You're going in next, Dave.
Where's my suit?
You don't need one.